Hello everyone! In this video, we're introducing FogHashing's Immersion cooling unit B100. We'll walk you through its key features and demonstrate the installation and operation process. If you want to learn more about B100, feel free to contact us or visit our website for more details. When you receive the package, check the outer packaging for any damage first. If there is any damage, please contact us immediately. Also, ensure that all accessories are included as follows. Additionally, you will need to have the following tools ready. Before the installation begins, please select the suitable locations and distances for the tank and dry cooler based on the length of the pipes, as these placements are not easily adjustable later. We recommend positioning the dry cooler in a shaded, well-ventilated outdoor area. First, connect the two pipes between the tank and the dry cooler. You will need gaskets, quick connect clamps, and a torque wrench for this step. Following the stickers on the tank and dry cooler, connect the outlet on the tank to the inlet on the dry cooler. Place the gasket at the connection point of the quick connect clamp and use the torque wrench to tighten the clamp to 6 Nm. Repeat this process for all 4 connections. To open the control box on the side of the dry cooler, connect the power and control wires from the dry cooler to the tank. The power cable should be for core 14 divided by for core 1.5 mm, and the control wire connects at the 485 port using a category 6 shielded Ethernet cable. Remove the left panel of the tank and the polygonal panel corresponding to the PDU label. Use single core 2/0 divided by 70 mm cables for power wires L1, L2, L3, and N, and a single core for divided by 25 mm cable for the ground wire. Secure connections with copper lugs and check the power wire connections for correctness. After opening the pump circuit breaker for 1 second, please close it again. Ensure that the pump's rotation direction matches the markings on the pump. If the rotation direction is incorrect, swap the L1 and L2 connections and verify the pump's rotation direction again. Connect the Ethernet cable directly to any port on the switch. Located below the tank, to the right, and near the pump, place the miners into the tank, ensuring their positions are uniform. Then connect the Ethernet cables to the miners. Check that the power cables are secure. Take out the oil filling pump in the accessories, and connect the pipeline and power cable. Use the oil pump to fill in the coolant until the liquid level reaches a distance of 5 cm from the overflow plate. Cover the top of the tank. Then open the pump circuit breaker and run a test for 30 minutes. Check all joints for any signs of oil leakage. Open the switch circuit breaker. Check the IP displayed on the tank screen and enter it in a web browser to view the dashboard data. You can also use the FogHashing Intelligent Management System for remote monitoring and control of the B100. Open the circuit breakers for all miners and observe their operating status. The above is our B100 installation tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. See you in the next episode.